Hey, how's it going? So just for fun, I did another test and I took a little cup and I filled a little bit I put a little bit of hydrogen peroxide in it right there. And then I took another one and I put in like a teaspoon of baking soda. And the other two cups were the previous cups on my other video. They all came out of that same tap water faucet, staying here in a hotel room. And so 1 teaspoon of pure baking soda, because I've never really seen something like that. The first thing I thought of was radiation in the water, and just by the structure of that. So baking soda neutralizes radiation, so that was my reasoning behind that. There's add a little bit of alkalinity to it. And so I got these ones still. I put them back in the cup. Those are the first ones. This one was with the baking soda. And this one was with the hydrogen peroxide. Looks like it's still forming a lot slower than the other one. The other one's completely frozen. This one's still got a little bit of water in the bottom. But you can see from the top the differences is very obvious. That's the cold water without anything. That's the hot water without anything. You can see there's a lot more of those little filaments. They're finer. Whereas that one's got bigger tunnels. And then these ones are like normal. And I mean, this is how my water used to look like when I was playing sports, and I'd put a water bottle in the freezer. So when I saw this, it definitely realized that something was up. I don't know if you can really see that. Easy to see from the top. You can definitely see some strange form of something. The next one. It reminds me of one of those little fuzzy head things that you see people wearing at sports games. From the bottom right there. And I could pull the ice cube out. So I'm gonna hold on to these, figure out what's going on, and if I can't figure out what's going on, I'll probably sell them or something. So, I mean, I'm not much of a humanitarian, so if you really care about this, you will donate to my Bitcoin address or send me an email and ask me what's going on. But there's quite obviously something in there. And whether or not it's permanent or not, the fact is, I got some right here. So if you're looking to buy, hit me up, derekgeisler.s4@gmail.com.